Okay.
Yep, that's it. One more thing. Oh, I'm stealing this. This is mine. Don't even try.
Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we have our Fruit for Thought box for the month of August. Now this is a monthly subscription and it's no longer centered around a particular fruit, although sometimes it is. I know this month their theme is
Strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I wanted to surprise them.
Oh, then you could cut that part out.
Strawberry lemonade, and next month is going to be, what's next month's theme?
I love the 80s.
Right, so not a fruit theme at all. Okay, so I know the first thing we have is Pop's popcorn, and this is strawberry lemonade flavored popcorn.
Raspberry lemonade. It's so good.
This is a beeswax candle shaped like a lemon.
Can I eat it?
Look at how cute that is. Definitely has a lemon scent. And that is handcrafted by Beeswax is the name of the company.
No, so good. I want to eat it.
All right, what's next?
I want to eat this so badly. Oh, cool.
This is by Boba Vita, Strawberry Popping Boba. Tear pouch and pour into favorite beverage. This is the kind of stuff we've been looking for.
Oh, cool.
They even gave you a boba straw. So you would put this in, like we usually have a tea with it. So an iced tea. And we like the flavored bubble. So super excited for that.
What would we even put it in though? Like lemonade?
No, tea.
Oh, tea. You're right.
Yeah, we'll make a tea for it.
Oh, yeah. So much strawberry. So much strawberry lemonade.
Yep. All right.
Ooh, I know what that might be good in. Oh, that's a nice soap.
This is the Tree of Life Goat Milk Soap, handcrafted by Annis Market O. It's infused with rich hydration and an uplifting lemon cream scent.
Ooh, that's too pretty to use. Yeah, that's way too pretty to use.
It's goat milk soap, so really, really good for your skin. Very hydrating, particularly if you have eczema. It's a great product.
Oh, what's this? Strawberry lemonade mix? Yep. Cool. And, yep, that's it. One more thing. Oh, I'm stealing this. This is mine. Don't even try. Don't even try. You like holding that? Does that feel nice? That's the last time you'll ever hold that.
No, I'm sure I'll hold it every time I find it on the bathroom sink and have to go put it back in your room. Yeah. So it's a hair clip with lemons on it. And then this is a strawberry lemonade drink mix by, I don't see the name. It's vegan. It's gluten-free.
There's a lot like edible stuff this time.
Yeah, there is.
I really want to try this.
Country Home Creations.
I wonder what kind of tea would put it in.
Yeah, we can see what we got. All right, you ready to try a little?
Sure.
Strawberry lemonade popcorn?
You get one strawberry and one lemon.
That's right. Just tastes like strawberry lemonade. It's good.
I'm not really a big fan of the lemon.
Really? I'm surprised you're a big fan of the strawberry.
No, it just kind of tastes like feet.
Really? I don't think it tastes like feet.
And licorice.
And I don't know why you would know what feet taste like. So.
And licorice. Hop on the block for life, baby.
So back in the 80s, I teach you about what things were like back in the 80s. There was a place in the mall that had all different flavored popcorn, but they made it like fresh right there in front of you.
Cool.
So they pour the flavoring on. It was really good. Yeah. Okay. Well, the next box is I Love the 80s, so who knows what'll be in there. Right? Good stuff? Didn't care.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with us.
This box was really good for the most part. Not really a big fan of the popcorn, but everything else looks amazing.
I'm going to make the strawberry lemonade to look just like that, though. Just like that.
Well, then you would really put any lemonade in there because that looks like water with lemons and strawberries.
Oh. Looks pretty, though.
It is.
Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully
See you tomorrow.
soon.